14, go ahead.
Yeah, just so you know, it's raining in this area. Our lead car is 3070, just flats. That's both ends, 6 and 1. No speed restrictions.
Copy, 3070 flats on both ends, no speed restriction required at this time. Thank you.
I'll be off that later.
And you cover Mayfair?
114, Mayfair.
Good.
Yeah, the train that did on 1, lead car 3273, car 3273, number 2 paddle missing.
3273, paddle number 2 is missing?
114, Mayfair.
14, go ahead.
On train 235, car 4232, number 2 paddle missing. 114.
14, go ahead.
Train 227, car 4426, number 3 paddle missing.
Copy. Thank you.
Tango 118, this is the 118 departing Fremont 1.
118, you have a program stop failure at Fremont?
Affirm, it was a bit more than that. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch all the errors that came up. As I was approaching Fremont 1, the train started to come to a stop. All of my cars lit up red. It slowed a bit and then picked up. While I was attempting to burst Fremont, I detected a program stop failure and hit my e-brake button, and the train just did not slow down. I hit it halfway into the station. I did see one fault in my lead. I was able to catch 3273. There was e-brake applied due to BPM timeout.
Got it. Did you feel any flattens on your lead car?
Affirm, I have many flats now.
Okay, we have a check at Warm Spring. We will walk through the train and check it out for you. And let me know what happened at Warm Spring. And Tango 23, Tango 1. Pick up at 118, between Fremont and Warm Spring. Kilo has a program stop failure at Fremont. And now we feel that lead car has flats. Walk through the train and see how many cars they have flats.
That's next one in on 1.
That is confirmed.
Not 4.
Tango 235, Fremont 1. Yeah, I'm right behind that 118. I now also have heavy flats in this lead car. I don't know how far it goes back. But I started experiencing the early braking system and all the troubles at 23.1 on the one side.
Give me the milepost one more time. Is it right at Fremont Station or a little bit early?
I experienced it a little bit earlier. So it was at 23.1. I had a whole bunch of troubles and my propulsion dropped down dramatically, and then I had some shaky propulsion. It came to a complete stop, and then it went back into ATO, and I can feel the heavy flats in my lead car now.
Do you have any faults right now on your lead car? Is it still red or just normal?
All the faults cleared. The early braking came back on for a little while, but that cleared again as well. And I'm full ATO at the moment, but with heavy flats.
Tango 1, this is the 102. Departing San Leandro.
Well,
So 102, I had early braking before Coliseum, right before the interlocking, and I have flats now. It's not flat.
copy that. Get you down. The line. Thank you.
Alright, 134, I'll feed it.
Stand by 23. Stand by. 23. Go ahead. Tango 23. Tango 1. 23. Tango 1.
Various. This one should go off service. All the cars got moderate to heavy flats.
Copy that. And 2-3, is it how bad is the flat? Is it moderate to heavy?
Yeah, all cars moderate to heavy flats on the 118.
Copy that. Your train is going to be out of service at S50. Thank you.
There's a train right behind us. It's got a signature.
And you can let it go and let the 118 go at S50 and then check the train behind you, 235. Same thing happens for 235 at Fremont. So walk through and let me know how bad it is. How bad are the flats?
Tango 1719, headed north. Have a good one.
Tango, this is 237 approaching Union City 1. Hey, just a heads up, I had to lock out my lead car. I guess it was a program stop, I don't know, because the train was trying to stop, but it just slid out, so my doors are locked on the left side.
Copy that 237. You're into Union City, right? Coming into Union City 1?
I'm approaching, I haven't gotten there yet.
We're going to have someone check out your flat and also normalize the door for you.
Tim, or thank you. Yeah, something doesn't sound right after South Hayward.
You mean the flat?
Hey, firm.
Copy.
Tango, this is 237 approaching Fremont 1 now. Hey, the trouble went away, but I had a brake on in propulsion and the ECU fault and everything, so the car kind of jerked. I don't know what happened, but right now it sounds like flat.
Copy that. Get you tapped ASAP. And Tango 23. Tango 1, where are you?
S50. I'm looking at the 235 as it's rolling. I'll let you know if it's got heavy flats also. Tag 123 various. Tag 123 various.
Go ahead.
Yeah, when that 235 rolled in, same issue. Moderate to heavy flats on all the cars.
So, has to be out of service. Is it correct?
Yes, I will take it out of service.
And 23, Tango 1.
23 S50.
Stand by there. Check the 237 as well.
Where's that train now?
It's approaching Warm Spring.
Yeah, that 235 just left.
Yeah, 235 departing various.
Tag 123 S50.
23, go ahead.
Yeah, same issue with this 237. It's moderate to heavy flats on all the cars.
And Rudy, can we run reduced speed?
Yeah, I will take it out of service.
Copy.
Tango 1503, Delta 2.
Train 503, go ahead.
Yeah, fix the problem. Gonna need a new cell.
10-4, thanks for your help, 503.
And Rudy, so you recommend it take it out of service, the 237?
Tango 123 various. Yeah, I'm gonna board up on platform 1 and back to Warm Spring.
You said you're gonna board up on platform 1? Did you say you were gonna board up on platform 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, I believe it's a 103. Head back to S20.
Can you stand by for one more train? The train behind that, the 102, also has flats. Can you walk through that consist?
Okay, the 102's coming in. Where is it?
It's departed Milpitas, between Milpitas and Berryessa. It's behind that 103.
Okay, I'll listen to the flats as it comes in.
Tango 1, this is the 451 departing Plaza 2. Have several faults in 3 of my cars.
Train 451, go ahead.
So for my lead car, I have a friction brake low pressure and low pressure interlock. In car 4550, I have a auxiliary power fail, and 4558 as well.
You said car 4550, and what was the second one? Was auxiliary power fail?
4550 was one of the cars, and 4558 was the other one.
Where in your consist are those two cars located?
4558 is fourth car, and 4550 is the second to last car.
10 4, I'll get you a technology. Tango 28, Tango 1.
28, DC.
10 4, can you start headed south or north?
10 4, you got a target for me?
Stand by 1 second.
And 2-3, are you checking 103 at platform 2? Platform 1?
No, I'm checking 102. 103 is at platform 1. It came in, no flats.
Okay.
I see, 102, about a half a mile out.
Tango 128, head north on the 511. Have a Civic Center for now. We don't have anybody there.
Yeah, the train, maybe 2 or 3 cars with light flats. I'm gonna, this could be an in-service. I'll do a walkthrough and see which cars has light flats.
Copy that. Yeah, it should be okay because we manually turn on the red profile now. So, okay, if it's a couple of cars, let me know, see how severe it is.
10-4. I'm on the 102 now.
Copy.
123 S50. This 102 is going in the back for 30 minutes and it will go back in service. In 30 minutes, I off-boarded.
Copy. But it's not, you only know it's not heavy flat. And we don't have to take out service.
That's safer.
Copy.
Okay, I'm standing by at the platform. You want me to head back to S20?
Just stand by at the platform 1 so when the train roll in and then you monitor it.
Okay, what's the next train?
104. The next one would be 239.
Tango 1, this is train 397.
Go ahead, 397.
I got a call from a passenger. The last 2 cars of the contest, car number 4035 and 3256, the floors are all wet from the rain. They want it mopped up. And they say it's unsafe.
I will set up page 297, thank you.
Tango 123 S50. Yeah, no flats on the 239.
Copy. And then just stand by there, check for the next one. Next one will be the 103.
Tango 123 S50.
Go ahead.
Yeah, the train that just went in the platform 1. It's clean. No flats.
Copy, Rudy. Now you can get back to S20.
Okay. Which train's coming out first? The 200 or 100?
200.
Okay, I'm on board at 200.
Tango 118.
18, go ahead.
Yeah, both cars 4558 and 4550 have AFC major A lockout and 6062. I'm gonna have to CBO 5.
Copy. Move with the TO, please.
Yeah. Tango 118. Tango 118.
18, go ahead.
I got a clear board now, except for ODBS, trouble's unavailable. You want me to wait till that's clear, or let it go into it?
And you can let it go. Thanks.
10-4, just clear.
Tango 1, this is 451, thanks for your help.
You're welcome, 451. Thanks, both.